Hi guys, welcome to day 9 of our 28 Days of Pilates challenge. We are back to arms and upper back today. We're going to jump straight in, so come to your mat if you're not already there. So we're going to start with a nice little mermaid stretch. So we're going to bring ourselves into what we call sort of Z sit position with the legs. So you've got one sole of the foot resting on your quad, and then if you can get this heel as close towards your bum as you can, just wherever feels comfortable. Ideally, the closer into your bum the better. And then just allow your hips to sink down. So give yourself a little second here, in the way that we always do in Pilates. Give yourself a little second to allow gravity to help you here. Allow the ribs to settle down. So imagine those ribs are tucking into the waistband of our trousers here. We're growing tall through the crown of the head, so you can always lift your heart or lift your head into your hands, lift your heart and your breastbone into your hand as well, to give you that sense of lengthening up as the sit bones drop down. Coming into a little mermaid side stretch in a second. We're just going to bring the arms to the side of the body. We're going to take some lovely breaths into the sides and the backs of the ribs just to set ourselves up. So breathing in wide and full. And then out. So that idea of the ribs yawning. And then drawing back in. Let the sit bones drop, but keep the height in the spine. Relaxing down here, beautiful work. Coming into side stretch. We're going to stretch to the leg that's at the side of the body, breathing out. Float your arm up to the side and then tip your head over and then follow with the rest of the spine. Drawing that sit bone down and breathing into the side of the body that's open, nice and relaxed through the shoulders, soften our jaw. Taking a breath there, enjoy this, take your time with it, side bending, so good for your back, for your spine. And then just restack your spine. We're going to take a little counter stretch, so bring that hand down and then just come onto the forearm. Again, sink that hip so you're lengthening away from it, reaching out of that side body. We've got it. And we're just going to do that one more time. So bring yourself back and sort of windmill over. So head, neck, reaching up and out, sit bones down, ribs in. Breathing, reaching through the crown of our head. Beautiful. And then restack from here. Bring your arms to a T, reach away, and then plant the hands. You come into a bit more of a diagonal, coming into a round position through the spine. So as you breathe out, imagine you're turning your collarbones towards the mat. To plant the hand and then scoop your belly, so stretching across the upper back. And then just open back out. So breathing in here, as you exhale, draw that belly button in towards your spine, rotate your collarbones to land the hand around through that upper back. So you're in a kind of curved position. And then opening back out, this time you're going to turn your palm forward, you're going to thread the needle. So still thinking of turning the collarbones, and this time just thread, a little twist, follow with the head. So you're following your hand, and then just open back out. And then one more, breathing out to center, that lovely scoop as you reach that twist through the upper back. Such a hard part of the spine to stretch, but this one just does a great job. Good, we're finishing there. Come back, a little counter stretch. And then restack your spine. Beautiful work. We're going to take that on the other side, so just switch in the position of the legs. Into our 90-90. Let the sit bones drop, tuck the ribs in, just frame the body, and we're stretching to the short side, the leg side of the body. Tip the head, neck, upper back. Breathing here, get that lovely breath into the side of the body that's open. Remember, breathing is a stretch in itself. Restart your spine, bring the hand down, little counter stretch. So slide the hand to land the forearm. I have to work into the plant. Occupational hazard now, working, green plants everywhere. Breath here, good. And then just one more. So you're just gonna pop yourself back up, come into a little windmill if you can. Tipping the head over, drawing the ribs back, and then restacking your spine from there. Bring the arms to the T. You're going to reach one arm away to land, so you come into kind of diagonal with the hands. Breathe out. As you exhale, scoop that belly to land the hand. Drawing those abs strong back to around the spine. You're going to open back out towards the front, breathing out, scooping again. Land the hand, draw the abs back to round your spine, that lovely twist across the upper back. So good. Opening back out. This time we're going to thread the needle. So just deepen in that little twist. And then just derotate. And one more. So keeping the supporting hand kind of straight. You're just twisting across the upper back. Should feel really nice. Draw the abs back to support you. Opening back out, and then just quick little counter stretch here. And then restack your spine. Good. Bringing the hand down. Going to come on to lie in. You're going to come to lie in your tummy. Sorry. So bringing yourself down. Good. Bringing the head down. You're going to rest your forehead on your hands. Reach your legs out so you're getting that lovely space in the front of the hips. Relax your shoulders down your back. This is diamond press. So you're going to breathe out. Center, belly button away from the mat. Send your pubic bone down. And then you're just drawing the crown of your head kind of backwards and up. Lightly pressing into the hands. You're just extending through the upper back. Nothing more than this. Breathe out. And then lengthen, so send your heart forward as you come back down to the mat. Breathing in as you exhale. Center, lift, head, neck, upper back. Lightly pressing into the mat. You're just staying in between your hands here, so your eye gaze is just at the mat. And then down. Breath in, and then a little center. As you extend that chain of movement, head, neck, upper back, that nice sequence. Draw the shoulders down the back, centering to lengthen the low back, and then just releasing down from there. Beautiful. Good. Take a little counter stretch, press the bum back towards your heels, and then we're going to come into a nice little 4-point kneeling. So come into 4-point, knees under your wrists. No, knees under your hips, wrists under your shoulders, that would be odd. And then connect the ribs, nice and active through that upper back, so shoulder blades away from one another. And then from here, we're going to do a little press and release. So keeping your arms straight, creases of the elbows facing one another, slide your shoulder blades together on the back. This is harder than it looks. And then press the mat away to separate them. So the shoulder blades draw together, they retract, and then you press the mat away and they protract, they move away from one another. So we're just getting some movement into that upper part of the spine, getting the scapula moving. That's the only part that's moving. You can think of lifting your breastbone away from the mat and then dropping your breastbone down towards the mat. Keep the head under control, so watch your head doesn't start to kind of nod forward. Gotta keep that head up on the spine. Just do 2 more. This is super challenging. It looks so easy, but it's super challenging. And then last one from here, we're going to come into a little modified plank and a rotation. So you're going to walk your knees behind your hips. You're going to draw your thighs together. You're going to support yourself, tuck the ribs in, strong through the upper back, strong through the arms and the shoulders. You're going to breathe out and you're going to rotate to open one arm to the side. And you're going to follow with your head and your neck. Look to your hands, center to support yourself here. And then bring the hand back down and you're going to shift to the other side. So try and control that rotation through the spine. Lots of tummy. Bringing that hand back down. Rotate. Ooh, feel that. Good. Try and keep the elbows soft. Opening side to side. Drawing those abs in. Light connection through your inner thighs. Rotate. So really open those ribs. Reach through the fingers. Reach as you return the hand to the mat. And then closing down from there, a little dynamic move. Good job. From here, you're going to just take a quick little counter stretch. And then you're going to come up into high kneeling. So into high kneeling, knees underneath you. You're going to bring the shoulders, relax the shoulders down the back. Bring your arms forward into chest expansion. So you're just releasing the shoulders forward. Glutes on to keep the hips open. So a little bit of work through the lower body. I know we're kind of focusing on the arms and the upper back, but just sneaking a little bit of work in for the lower body, the glutes. Think of just moving the arms here, so don't let the chest go with the arms, there's none of this happening. Stabilize here, control yourself, lengthen to the crown of that head. 2, 1, keep the arms back, little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, pulse the thumbs in, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, release the arms all the way forward. Give the shoulders a little shake, and you are done with day 9. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you back on your mat for day 10 tomorrow.